Hello everyone and welcome back to English Talk Studio channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello Anna. Hello to all our wonderful friends listening today. It is such a beautiful day to be here.
It really is. The sun is shining and I am feeling full of energy. How are you doing today, John?
I am doing very well. Thank you. I had a very relaxing morning. I drank my coffee, read a book, and now I am ready to chat.
That sounds lovely. A slow morning is the best way to start the day.
I agree. But before we start our conversation, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes. If you enjoy learning English with us, please take a moment to click the subscribe button.
And give us a like.
And share this video with your friends. Learning English is always better with friends.
Exactly. Okay, Anna, so, tell me about your week. Did you do anything interesting?
John. My week was busy. Very busy.
Oh, you are always busy. Anna, what happened?
Well, last weekend was my sister's birthday.
Oh, happy birthday to your sister. That is nice. Did you have a party?
Yes, we did, but it was not a normal party. It was a surprise party.
Ooh, a surprise party. I love surprises.
Me, too. But it was very difficult to organize.
Why was it difficult?
Because my sister is very smart. She always knows everything.
I understand it is hard to hide things from smart people.
Exactly. So, the plan was simple. My family went to my mother's house. We turned off all the lights.
Okay, darkness. Very classic.
Yes. We hid behind the sofa. We hid behind the curtains. My brother even hid in the kitchen pantry.
In the pantry with the food.
Yes. He was very hungry.
I think so. We waited and we waited.
Waiting is the hardest part.
It is. Finally, we heard a car. Then we heard the front door open.
Yes. We heard footsteps. Click, clack, click, clack.
The tension is building.
The door opened.
And was she surprised?
Well, the person was surprised. But it was not my sister.
What? No. Who was it?
It was the pizza delivery man.
No way. The pizza man.
Yes. He was holding 4 big pizzas and suddenly 10 people jumped at him screaming. Surprise.
Oh, poor man. Was he scared?
He was terrified. He almost dropped the pizzas.
That is so funny. What did you do?
We apologized, of course. We said, "I am so sorry. We thought you were my sister."
And did he laugh?
Eventually, yes. He laughed and we gave him a very big tip.
That is good. He deserves a big tip after a scare like that.
Definitely. But then 5 minutes later, my sister actually arrived.
And did you surprise her?
We were all laughing so hard about the pizza man that we forgot to hide again.
So she walked in and saw everyone laughing.
Yes. She said, "Why are you laughing? And why is the pizza man eating cake?"
You gave him cake, too?
We did. He was a special guest.
That is a wonderful story. Emily, real life is always funnier than a movie.
It is. What about you, Paul? Did you have any funny moments this week?
Well, not as funny as the pizza man. But I had a very interesting Sunday at my church.
Oh, what happened at church?
We had a community day. It is a day where we help fix things in the building.
That is very nice. It is good to help.
Yes, My job was to paint the fence outside.
Painting. I like painting. What color?
White. A nice clean white.
Classic. So, did you do a good job?
I think so. But I am not very good with tools or paint.
Oh no. What happened?
Well, I was painting the top of the fence. I was moving the brush back and forth. Swish, swish.
Sounds correct.
But I did not see the wind.
The wind.
Yes. A big gust of wind came and the paint flew off my brush.
Oh dear. Where did it go?
It went all over my face.
On your face.
Yes. Right across my nose and my glasses.
Oh, Paul. You had a white nose.
I looked like a clown or a ghost.
Did anyone see you?
Everyone saw me. The pastor saw me. Mrs. Higgins saw me.
Oh, Mrs. Higgins. She is very serious.
Yes. She looked at me over her glasses. She handed me a towel and said, "Paul, the paint goes on the wood, not on the nose."
She is right. You know.
I know. I know. It took me 30 minutes to clean my glasses.
Well, at least the fence looks good.
The fence looks beautiful and my face is clean now. That is what matters. Hard work and a little bit of mess.
Exactly. And speaking of work, how are things at your office?
Work is good, but yesterday was a little stressful.
Why stressful?
The internet was not working.
Oh, I hate that. No internet is a big problem.
It is a disaster. We use computers for everything.
So what did you do?
We just sat there for 2 hours.
2 hours just sitting.
Yes. We talked. We drank coffee. It was actually kind of nice.
Really?
Yes. Usually everyone is looking at their screens. Type, type. No one talks.
That is true. Modern offices are very quiet.
But without the internet, we had to talk to each other. I learned that my colleague Sarah loves cats.
Oh, really?
Yes. She has 4 cats.
4? That is a lot of cats.
And my boss, Mr. Thompson, do you know what his hobby is?
Golf.
No, he loves baking.
Baking like cakes and cookies.
Yes. He makes his own bread every weekend.
Wow. I did not expect that.
Me neither. He seems so serious. But he loves making sourdough bread.
See. When the technology stops, the real conversation starts.
That is so true. It was a nice break. But then ding. The internet came back.
And everyone went back to work.
Yes. Back to silence. But now we smile at each other more.
That is lovely. It connects to what we always say here. Talking is important.
Yes. Talking connects people. Whether it is a surprise party, a messy painting day, or a broken internet day.
Exactly. And speaking of talking, I had a funny situation at the supermarket yesterday.
You have so many stories this week. Tell me.
I was shopping for dinner. I needed tomatoes.
Okay. Tomatoes.
I saw a lady from the back. She looked exactly like my Aunt Mary.
Oh, I see where this is going.
She had the same coat, the same gray hair, the same height.
So, what did you do?
I walked up behind her and I gave her a big hug.
Paul, you didn't.
I did. I hugged her and said, "Hello, Aunt Mary. How are you?"
Oh my goodness.
She turned around and it was not Aunt Mary.
No, another mistaken identity.
Yes. She was a total stranger. She looked very confused and maybe a little angry.
I bet. A strange man hugging her in the tomato aisle.
I turned so red. My face was hot. I said, I am so sorry. I thought you were my aunt.
Did she forgive you?
She looked at me for a second. Then she smiled and said, It's okay. I wish I had a nephew who hugged me like that.
Ah, that is actually very sweet.
It was. We laughed about it, but I was very careful after that.
I am sure you checked the face before the hug.
Exactly. Always check the face first.
That is a very good lesson.
Life is full of these little moments. Embarrassing moments. Happy moments.
Yes, and I think that is the best way to practice English.
What do you mean?
I mean telling these stories. When you tell a story about your life, you remember the words better.
Because the story has emotion.
Yes, you remember the surprise because of the pizza man. You remember paint because of your nose.
And I remember hug because of the stranger.
Exactly. So to all our listeners, don't just study lists of words.
No, look at your life. Look at your day.
What happened today? Did you spill your coffee? Did you see a cute dog?
Did you send a text message to the wrong person? Oh, I do that all the time.
Try to say those stories in English, even if it is just to yourself in the mirror.
Or to your cat. Sarah talks to her 4 cats in English. Maybe.
Hello, Fluffy. Today I am going to work.
It is great practice. You know, Emily, talking about food earlier, the pizza and the cake made me hungry.
Me, too. My stomach is making noises. Grumble, grumble.
I can hear it.
Oh, stop it. It is not that loud.
So, what is for dinner tonight?
I think I will order a pizza.
A pizza? Just don't jump out and scare the driver this time.
I promise I will open the door quietly. I will say hello and thank you. No screaming.
Good plan. I think I will make a sandwich. A simple sandwich.
No baking bread like my boss.
No. Baking is too hard and too much flour. I don't want flour on my face. I already had paint on my face this week.
1 mess a week is enough.
Exactly. Keep it simple.
Well, Paul, this was such a fun conversation. I feel happy just talking to you.
Me, too, Emily. Laughing is the best medicine.
It is, and we hope our listeners laughed with us today.
Yes, we hope you understood our stories.
And remember, if you didn't understand every word, that is okay.
Yes, just listen to the flow. Listen to the feeling.
The more you listen, the easier it becomes.
Absolutely, step by step.
Well, Paul, I think it is time to say goodbye for today.
Ah, time flies when we are having fun.
It does, but before we go,
Yes.
we have a question for you. We want to know, have you ever had a funny misunderstanding like hugging the wrong person?
Or surprising the pizza man?
Or getting paint on your nose?
Please tell us in the comments.
Try to write it in English. It can be a short sentence or a long story. We love reading your funny stories. They make our day.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And click that bell icon so you don't miss our next conversation.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Share this episode with your family. Maybe share it with your aunt.
Yes. Thank you so much for listening today. Everyone, you are all amazing. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
We will see you next time. Bye for now.
Goodbye everyone. Have a great week.